Are you feeling stressed or you are struggling with the problem related to panic behavior and frustration? Yes, in today's world, when the pandemic is going on, there are many people who are struggling these situations right now. They are panic, they are frustrated, and they are feeling stressed also. So in this situation, how you can tackle those situations in everyday's life? Yes, now this session is related to this. I am Kavita Verma, Masters in Psychology, pursuing currently PhD in Psychology from IGNOU, here to assist you regarding this problem. So let's take a quick look how you can solve your day-to-day problem related to stress, frustration and panic behavior. The first and foremost thing is just be calm and silent when you feel that you are in a situation when you are feeling frustration or panic. Just keep yourself calm and silent and be balanced. Feel that you are not into that situation when you need to do some panic behavior. So try to keep yourself calm, silent and be composed. That's gonna help you in your behavior. The second important thing, don't always complain that you are the one who suffers always. Yes, when you are a complainer always, then you are not feeling happy from inside. You always complain about other people or you complain about yourself that you are not getting what you are already feeling that you have to get it. So be satisfied whatever the things you get in your life. Be happy and try to happy whatever you get. That's really help you to achieve more in your life, and you will feel that you are not stressed to complete the expectations, whatever the expectations you are expecting from yourself and from others, which leads to frustration and a panic behavior. The third important thing is, think that one instance goes wrong, it means that everything, whatever comes in your life is going in a wrong way and you will get the negative results, or you will, whatever goes wrong, it means that everything, whatever comes in your life is going in a wrong way and you will get the negative results, or you will, whatever you do, you will get the negative things in your life. One thing goes wrong, that leads to the experience you get into your life and you improve your life. The fourth important thing is, be positive. When you are positive, when you feel confident, nothing is impossible for you to achieve. So when you feel that you are stressed, you are frustrated, so be positive, be confident that if one day you are not achieving something, you will improve, you will gradually go to that particular path and you will achieve someday. So don't hesitate to do hard work, don't feel low that you are not gonna achieve anything. So these are the 5 points which are really gonna help you to make your life less stressful, less frustrated and less struggling. In this pandemic situation, I have only one suggestion to you, that try to be happy whatever you're getting into your life. Try to make yourself more better to get your expectations, whatever expectations you are expecting from yourself and from others. From others, yes, definitely you are not gonna do anything in this particular part, but you can do something for yourself, whatever the expectations you are expecting from yourself. So this session is related to the stress, frustration and the panic behavior. If you like it, my content, if you like the knowledge, whatever I am providing you in a very journal, very layman term that everyone can understand it, So please like it, subscribe it, and share this knowledge to everyone. Thank you.